Did you know that dance tutorials can earn you thousands of dollars online? It's true. In today's digital age, the internet has opened up countless opportunities for dancers to share their skills and make a living. Whether you're into hip-hop, ballet, contemporary, or any other style, there's a huge audience out there eager to learn from you. Imagine turning your living room into a dance studio, recording your moves, and uploading them to platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. With the right strategy, you can build a loyal following and monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, and even paid subscriptions. Let's dive deeper into the world of online dance tutorials and discover the steps you need to take to transform your passion for dance into a thriving business. Stay tuned as we break down the essentials, from creating engaging content to marketing your brand effectively. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the best dance tutorial channels available online. In this video, you'll discover not only how to master various dance styles, but also how to turn your passion into a profitable venture. Whether you're a beginner looking to learn the basics, or an experienced dancer aiming to refine your skills, these channels offer something for everyone. We'll explore platforms that provide step-by-step instructions, tips on choreography, and even advice on how to build your own dance brand. Additionally, we'll delve into the business side of dance, showing you how to monetize your skills in 2024. From creating engaging content to leveraging social media, you'll learn the strategies that successful dancers use to earn a living doing what they love. So, get ready to dance your way to success as we uncover the top resources that can help you achieve your dance dreams. Many aspiring dancers struggle to find reliable resources that not only offer quality instruction, but also guide them on how to make money from their talent. We'll explore several top dance tutorial channels, highlighting their unique features, teaching styles, and how they incorporate monetization strategies for their followers. The most exciting part will showcase a standout channel that has successfully transformed its dancers into profitable online creators, revealing their secrets to success. To wrap up, we've covered the essential channels for dance tutorials that can help you not only improve your skills but also generate income. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips on making money online, and let me know in the comments which dance channel you're excited to try. If you're passionate about dancing and want to turn that passion into a profitable venture, my channel is the perfect place for you. I regularly upload content that not only helps you improve your dance skills, but also provides valuable insights on how to monetize your talent. From creating engaging dance tutorials to leveraging social media platforms, I've got you covered. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, feel free to share your own experiences and tips in the comment section. Your feedback is incredibly valuable and helps create a supportive community for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of dance and entrepreneurship with me today.